told us this. She's just on fire. Got so many clients. Just so great. So let's see who it is.
Who is it? 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 Does the person know herself? And the person is Susan.
Get it, Susan.
You got a box with your name on it.
Even when I first got with you all, everything was there. The communication, the training, the just the output of love that you gave to me first off when I first got into it with you, to show me what I can do, and you always there every step of the way to help me. And as I really got into it, it just amplified because you was always there. So I mean, I wouldn't change nothing that you do. You're great with your peers. You're great at owning a company, your organization, because y'all are awesome. Amazing couple, power entrepreneurs. So I love it.
Yeah, I couldn't have said it better.
But it's just something we gotta work on, guys. Appreciate it. But it's something we gotta work on. Something.
I mean,
we gotta do better with.
No, as you grow, as the company grows, as the years go on, you will learn more things. And I think right now you have conquered just about everything that you want to, is an understanding of the business, and teaching your fellow preparers within the business. And I mean, we're learning just as well as you are. And I mean, you know me now. I'm out to tell the truth. If there was something, I would have said.
I know. That's why I'm like.